any one-sided settlement which is going to be imposed on the Palestinians is not going to work, because the issue will never get resolved. And Israel is in a very strong position right now, probably the strongest it's ever been. It's backed by the United States. But Israel too must recognize this, that if they do not allow Palestinians to have a just settlement, a viable state, this issue is not going to die down. Even if some countries recognize Israel, it's not going to die down. It will just keep festering. It's in Israel's interest that there should be a just settlement. Illegal annexations of Palestinian territory, the building of illegal settlements, and the imposition of inhuman living conditions on the Palestinian people, especially in Gaza, cannot bring peace to a troubled region. Pakistan continues to support a two-state solution in line with the UN General Assembly and Security Council resolutions within the international agreed parameters, and they are pre-1967 borders, and Al-Quds, Al-Sharif as the capital of a united, contiguous and independent Palestinian state.